What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "Your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes" error on your iPhone. If you're trying to download apps, update existing ones, or make purchases, but keep seeing this error message, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. From here, select Payments and Shipping. Check if your payment method is correct by tapping on your credit or debit card. Make sure the billing address matches your real address and that the card is from the same country as your Apple ID. For example, if you have a US Apple ID, you need a US credit or debit card along with a US billing address. If any of the details are incorrect, update them and try accessing the App Store again. If updating your payment method doesn't work, go back to the Settings menu and tap on Sign In and Security, and then select Change Password. Enter your current device passcode, then create a new Apple ID password. This step helps re-authenticate your account, especially if Apple has temporarily restricted it due to security concerns. Once your password is changed, try opening the App Store again to see if the problem is fixed. If you're still experiencing the issue, the final step is to sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Scroll down in the Profile ID settings page, tap Sign Out and enter your Apple ID password. After signing out, restart your iPhone and then go back to Settings, tap Sign In and log back into your Apple ID. This process refreshes your account settings and can resolve any authentication errors that might be causing the issue. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.